How to upload YouTube Shorts from your laptop. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is head over to the YouTube website and make sure you're signed into your account. You can then click on the Create button and press Upload Video. Now, before we can upload our short video, there's a couple of requirements. So firstly, you need to make sure that the video is in vertical format. So if you have a landscape video, for example, you first need to convert this into a portrait video. And you also need to make sure that the video is less than 3 minutes in length. Now, if you have a landscape video, you can convert it into a portrait video using a free application. So the app that I like to use is called CapCut. And you can basically use this to turn your horizontal videos into portrait. So for example, you can see this is a landscape video right here. But if I click on the aspect ratio, I can change this to 9:16. So this is essentially now the YouTube short format. You can then go and resize your video like so, and you can now export this as a portrait video. So once you have the portrait video saved on your computer, just press select files, and then you need to go and upload your portrait video. Now, as long as your video meets the short requirements, YouTube will automatically detect that this is a short video. Now, you know that this is going to be uploaded as a short because if you come over to the video link, you can see it will say youtube.com/shorts, and this just helps you know that your video is being uploaded as a short video. You can then add your title and a description, and you can also add a thumbnail as well. So that's how to upload YouTube Shorts from your computer.